Monzo, how to open account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss the ways on how we can open up a Monzo account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to open a Monzo account, it's very simple. Now remember that we're only talking about online banking or mobile banking. We are not talking about creating a bank account. We're just trying to already make the existing bank account usable on our phone. Now if you want to make a new Monzo bank account without going to the bank, we also have already made a tutorial on that, so you can check that out if you'd like. So first of all, let me open the Monzo banking application over here, or you can use the monzo.com website here. So here you can see I'm new to Monzo. I already have an account. If you already have an account, you can tap on it, but since we're trying to create an account, we'll tap on the I'm new to Monzo option. So over here, just make sure to enter the email address that is basically logging in here. Tap the next option, then it will actually send an email address to our email. So we will simply wait until we receive the email from Monzo over here. So if it doesn't load up, you can also try opening the email app manually here, and then here you can see login to Monzo. So over here, what you want to do is tap on the login to Monzo application. It is going to open up the Monzo application here and then give you the further instructions on how you can finish signing up. So let's just wait until this process is also complete as well. So right here, after the page loads up, you have to make sure to enter your first name, last name, your date of birth, and then just make sure to tap the next option here. You can make sure to enter your postcode and the country of residence. You can choose that as well, or you can select I live outside the UK. And once done, you can just tap the next option to finish creating your Monzo account. This way you will be able to go ahead and then actually open Monzo. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.